Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new team space on Notion. Now once you're in Notion, go simply click your workspace on the upper left hand side and go into the settings. On the left you'll find team space. You can click on that. In this section you will find your current team space settings, which is the default settings here or the default name, and you can create a new team space if you so desire by simply clicking new team space, and you can go ahead and you can give it some name or icon, right? So you can change the name and you can also change the icon. So let's say I want to call this one Drew tutorial. Let's say that's what I want to call it, and you can describe it whatever you want. So I'm going to leave it empty for now, and here you can set the permission anyone can see and join this team space. Just go ahead and click on the create button. Once you're satisfied, you can make it open, and you can also have it into default close or private. You can go ahead and you can set that as well. Once you're satisfied, click and create a team space, and you will see that that team space is now created, right? You can also add people directly into that team space from here by searching for people or groups, and you can choose whether you want them to be owner or members, and then you will basically add them. For now I'm going to skip that for now, but this is how you will see basically how I create the team space. So here it is showing team space, and if I close out of this, you will also see that I have team space as well, and this is where the team space is. So this is one team space, as you can see right here, Drew tutorial. There's another team space right here as well. So you can see those different team space that I have here, that I basically created: the Drew Notion HQ and the Drew tutorial team space. And these are two. And what else can you add under the team space? As you can see, if you want to add a new one, you can click the plus from there, and yeah, you can basically add as well. So you can add some many things here. You can see that you can easily put under your team space, right? So that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. And if you have your team space and you want to quickly add members, you can quickly hover over it, and you can simply go ahead and click the three dots beside the team space, add members. You can go to the settings, you can duplicate the team space, you can leave the team space, and all that good stuff. But that's it. Very easy and very simple, right?